In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Notifications available here. Then tap on App Notifications at the top. And before doing anything, use this icon at the top right corner to sort your apps. This way you can see all of them. Apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or notifications disabled. Whatever you decided, when you're done, just hit OK to apply your changes. And tap on blue switches next to apps from which you want to block notifications. You can click on gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can also tap on any app on the left, manage all notifications over here, and also check out all of those notification options for your chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!